children, today we are going to start with chapter number 8, the world of growing knowledge. So in this chapter, we will study about how there was invention of script, story of writing number, discovery of paper, invention of art of printing, script for the blind. So let's start with the chapter now. As you know that man is the most intelligent creature of the world and he scored over other animals due to his powerful brain. First, he tried to understand his environment. Observation and experience increased his knowledge, and his knowledge and intelligence gave him the power of discovering what new things. Now, invention of script. If we talk about the painting found in the caves of early man, what it shows that he communicated his ideas through pictures. Now, most of these pictures are of animals which he used to see around him every day, and the animals which is used to hunt. Now, later on, he started using some signs to express his idea. The first script was therefore in the form of picture and sign. Now, the script is in the form of picture. It is called pictorial script. In this script, different objects are shown through the pictures. And these picture scripts have been found in the tombs of ancient Egypt. Modern script of China, Japan and Korea have evolved from pictorial script. Pictorial script were very difficult to read because for each object a picture had to be drawn. हर एक object के लिए क्या करना पड़ता था? Picture draw करनी पड़ती. The script used in the seals of Indus Valley civilization has not been deciphered, and in the script beside the picture, some symbols are also made. Gradually, the picture were replaced by easy symbol. ठीक है, पिक्चर्स को क्या करा? इजी सिंबल से रिप्लेस्ड करा कि लोग क्या कर सके, इजीली समझ सके. सो इन जनरली इट इज बिलीव दैट मेथड ऑफ काउंटिंग फर्स्ट बिगिन इन इंडिया एंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ जीरो एंड डेसिमल वाज बोर्न इन इंडिया. आपके इंडिया में ही देखने को मिलता है. एंड दिस कंसेप्ट ऑफ नंबर वाज टेकन फ्रॉम इंडिया बाय अरब्स टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. द अरब कॉल्ड दिस नंबर हिंसा, एंड these नंबर आर नाउ known as Hindu Arabic numerals. Now Roman numerals. Romans use 7 letters to their alphabet to write number. The letter used in Roman number are as follow. You will see here, these are the Roman number. So I we write for 1, V for 5, X for 10, L for 50, and C for 100, D for 500, and M for 1000. You might have learned about these Roman numerals. You might have learned about these Roman numerals in your mathematics books, but it is difficult to write very large number with these symbols. So Hindu Arabic numerals are used all over the world. If we talk about the discovery of paper, after learning the art of writing, the problem was now to preserve these writing and what materials should be used for this purpose. We all use paper for writing these days, but before the discovery of paper, various other material were used for writing. So several thousand years ago, Babylon and Assyrians used clay tablets for writing, and the writing were inscribed on the wet clay tablets with sharp pointed rod. और जो टैबलेट होते हैं इनको बेक करा जाता था जिससे आप राइटिंग को प्रिजर्व कर सकते हो. In early days, people in India used the bark of bridge tree and leaves of palm tree for writing. Thin sheet of copper were also used for writing. हम thin sheet का use करते हैं, right? So the use of paper was first introduced in Egypt, and the word paper, it is derived from papyrus, a kind of reed which grow in the Nile Valley. Different layers of thin fiber of this grass were pressed hard to make paper, and papyrus was invented 2000 BC. The Egyptians, and for more than 2000 years, it was the only writing material that was used by men. Later on, what happened? Paper was made in China from bamboo, jute, straw, hemp. Now paper is made from the pulp of softwood, and the wood pulp is flattened and pressed. और उससे आप क्या बनाते थे? पेपर बनाते थे, right? These days we have many paper mills manufacturing various types of paper. If we talk about invention of art of printing, so if we talk about it earlier, when the art of printing was not invented, all the books were written and copied by hand, and it was difficult to make many copies of a book. Since these books were written by hand, so they used to be very costly and they were not available in large number. So invention of art of printing made possible. Why? To get the books printed in large number. The first printing of same kind was done by Chinese in 5th century. They used block of wood to carve picture, right? And it was in the 15th century only when Johannes Gutenberg of Germany made letters of Liedemacht. These letters were put in wooden frame, and various words and sentences could be made by these letters. By applying ink on these letters, they were printed off the paper. And the first book was made by this method that is Gutenberg. These days, art of printing was made great progress. Thousands of books, magazine, newspaper were printed every day, right? So you will see that the use of computer in the typing and the process printing help in printing what? High quality paper. Next is the script for the blind. So we use Braille. This is a Braille script that is used for the blind people. And it was invented by a blind student named Louis Braille in 1824. In the script, the letters are formed of dots deeply engraved on paper with a pen. And the blind student, what they do, they can read by recognizing raised letter on the other side with their finger. The other method of educating the blind is by playing audio cassettes which contain matter of different books. इसको हम talking books भी कहते हैं. And education is very important for developing child personality. Social and economic development of the country is based on literacy rate of that country. So if we talk about educated and skilled person are real assets of the nation, we can make better use of natural resources if we are educated. So all the scientific inventions are made by those who have great curiosity of gaining knowledge about various natural phenomena. And the books help a lot of spreading knowledge and broaden our outlook. और इसने क्या करा है? हमारे outlook को भी broaden कर दिया है. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.